I'm going to share with you my secret sauce of hiring. And I think it's only the internal people in our organization that know that I use this. I call it the 3 Fs. I call it fit, focus, and foundation. And when I sit down on a resume, I write 3 Fs, fit, focus, foundation, on the back of the resume when I'm sitting and having a conversation with you guys, because I want to evaluate 3 things. Number 1, do I feel that you will fit within the culture of our organization? What do you look like? How do you speak? How do you carry yourself? Are you dressed appropriately? All these sorts of things give me hints that you're going to be great sitting there working in the building. Number 2, focus. Do you have the right focus to be successful in the role? This is drive. This is all about your energy. This is you sitting there, presenting yourself in the right way. Do you have curiosity? Do you have grit? Do you have a little bit of a sparkle? Somebody who had a really big sparkle that came into the organization is sitting right there, and you can tell that she would be very, very customer-oriented and really driven to achieve her goals. And that's why we selected her for the process that she went through. But understanding that I'm looking at a few different things here, I think is key to understand how you can present yourself. And the 3rd F is foundation. Do you have the right foundation to be able to complete the job functions? So we're going to be asking questions about what have you learned? How have you applied it? All of you here, given the course material that I've seen, are hireable. We can hire every single one of you here. We think it's a fantastic course that focuses on the practical application of the software that we use, and we'll be able to train you to be more effective in the industry. But those conversations around foundation are important to understand where you're currently at. Okay? Do not, whatever you do, be unrealistic about your skills. What we've got on the left-hand side here is an SEO manager job with 3 years experience. We've got HTML coding, PHP, we've got familiarity with WordPress plugins, we've got tools as well. And we had an applicant apply with Staples, a little bit of social media, and then a server experience for the last 6 months. That job application, now we would consider it, but it needs to be for a coordinator type entry-level role. If you apply for it when you're looking at a more senior role, then what it really does is it sets the tone that you don't have a good understanding of your skills, and we might not consider you applicable for the lower roles that we might have in the organization as well. Do make sure that you put yourself out of your comfort zone. I'm not a great fan of networking. I network on social an awful lot. But as Christina says, reach out and call people, interact, talk. You get yourself a little bit more accustomed to those types of interaction, and suddenly you'll find yourself in your comfort zone where the magic happens. Okay, guys? So put yourself out there and make sure you do. If you feel nervous about something, that's generally a sign to go do it.